This course follows an instructional design framework I created using many of the theories we will be discussing. This course has been designed to take you through a process to increase awareness of your teaching and understand how learning theories can help you as an educator. To gain the most out of this course, we ask you to follow the steps in order and do all the activities, which include watching videos, answering questions, and filling out worksheets. Every section has the exact same layout. The layout is as follows. First, you will be asked to do a pre-activity that mirrors the underlying feature of the theory. Sometimes these will be written, and other times you will have to watch a video and answer some questions. There will always be a video explaining how the pre-activity relates to the theory. Next, you will watch a whiteboard animation video on the key points of the learning theory. There is no way to do an all-inclusive video on everything the theory says, so I will cover the key details needed to understand the basics. After watching this video, you will watch another video and be given a worksheet called Think About It. You answer questions that are related to the theory and situations about teaching or the classroom. Once you finish answering these questions, you will watch a video on the problems of the theory and how to use it. This video will talk about the problems such as faulty concepts, how educators misapply the theory, or how it's good in theory but bad in practice. Following the problems section, a presentation on the ways that theory may be useful to the class. Next, you will view a video on the answers to the Think About It questions. Many times, your answers will vary, which is okay, because this section is not about being right or wrong, but looking at common problems or situations and seeing how they relate to the theory. The final step will be a reflective practice sheet that you will fill out to explore your thoughts on the theory. There are no answers provided for this sheet because this is personal to you, your beliefs, and your experiences. This course is best used by doing one section every week or two. It is impossible to apply all the information at one time, so I suggest you view the entire section, plan changes you want to make, and then apply these to your class or teaching. Also, this course is not designed to tell you which theories to use or what to believe. Teaching is not easy, and depending on certain circumstances, your techniques need to change. We will give you examples, but they are not meant to be all-encompassing. Trying to create a course that covers every belief for every scenario is impossible. So we ask you to use this course as a springboard to discovering the best educator you can be. Enjoy the course, share your ideas and strategies on the discussion board, and let's make a community of educators who share and help one another. Thank you.